Chapter 9, number 13. Force A has magnitude F and acts for the time delta t. Force B has magnitude 2F and acts for the time delta t over 3. Force C has magnitude 5F and acts for the time delta t over 10. And force D has magnitude 10F but acts for the time delta t over 100. Rank these forces in order of their increasing impulse and indicate ties when appropriate. And then we remember that impulse is just the force times the time interval during which that force acts. So for each of these guys, we're going to find impulse. And once we've done that, it will, of course, be very easy to rank them. So we go here and we say that we have F times delta t. And so we have an impulse of just F delta t. That's sort of our standard reference person. And then we have 2F times delta t over 3, which, if we redistribute things, is 2/3 F delta t. And likewise for C, we have 5F times delta t over 10. And if we distribute that, that's 5/10 F delta t, which of course is really just 1/2 F delta t. And then finally we have 10F times delta t over 100, which when we rearrange it becomes 10 over 100 F delta t, or 1/10 F delta t. And now we can see that the lowest of these is definitely D, and then the next is C, and the next after that is B, and finally A turns out to be the most. So rank these in order of increasing impulse is D is less than C, is less than B, is less than A.